Hi Scentsy friends, today I wanted to give you a review of one of the newest diffusers in our range, and this is called the Deluxe Diffuser. So you're all probably familiar with our premium diffusers, and I've got one up there at the moment, but this is called the Deluxe Diffuser. So I'm just going to go through the different features of this diffuser. Now, the color's a bit distracting, so I'm just going to turn it off so you can see it properly there. So it's called Grey Fleur, the color. So it's a slightly grey color down the bottom, and on top it is white. Now it has a slight patination there. I'm not sure if you can see it in the light, but there we go. You can see a little bit of a flower imprint. It's very, very subtle. It's over the shade there. Very, very subtle, and it's slightly textured, but it's smooth in between the flower, and then the flower just pops up a little bit. But it'd be super easy to clean. Just wipe it over, no problem at all. So that's the top of it. This is the base. It is, of course, it's corded. Okay, it just plugs in. They give you the power cord and everything like that. Now, the big selling feature of this diffuser is that the water reservoir is huge. So our premium diffusers have about 120 ml water reservoir. This is 450. So our premium diffusers, they will last 8 hours is the longest they will last on an intermittent or low setting, and 4 hours on a high setting. With this one, it will last for over a day, depending on the setting you use, but 450 mils is a huge capacity, and you fill it right up to this fill line here. There's a little indent here. You can fill it right up to that fill line there. So I'm just going to demonstrate it for you now. I've got a bit of water here. Just going to fill up the reservoir, not entirely because I'll be moving it later, but I'm just going to fill that up to give you an idea of the misting. And of course I'm going to use one of our gorgeous Scentsy oils in there, and just a few drops. I'm probably a bit heavy-handed. I mean, go big or go home is my motto. So I do like, quite an intense fragrance. I tend to use the diffusers more in our bedrooms at night and use the warmers and waxes during the day. It's really up to you. Diffusers are such a great addition to your fragrancing at home. And not only that, but they can help clean the air in your home. So a really, really important health feature, especially at the moment. So I'm just going to use the dials at the front there. So there's just 2 slides on the front. One is for the color and one is for the mist options. So a big long slider at the front here, and you'll just hear it make a little tit, tit, a little tiny little sound as it goes through each color. Now it's got 8 different colors to choose from, and I'll just flick through them now. You can see that was a bluish tone. We've got a yellow or a greeny tone there, and this is like a reddy color, definitely a purple there, blue, green, a stronger green, and definitely another shade of blue. Now, I'm leaving it now in the rainbow mode, which is my personal preference. I love just to see the colors change at night. And then you've got the different misting now. You've got off, and you've got a single droplet or a double droplet. Obviously, one is going to be more efficient than the other. And there it goes. It started to mist away. I probably, again, go big or go home is my motto. So I love that fragrance to get a really strong boost. And obviously one is going to last longer than the other. The double droplet will, use the water up more quickly, and the single drop will be more efficient. It's really up to you. You can see it's really getting a great fine mist going. Now this is a cold mist diffuser, and that's really important. I know back in the 80s, we used to have essential oils, and we'd light a candle and put some essential oils in the top, and you would essentially be burning that oil. That is not the best way to enjoy an essential oil. In fact, the best way to enjoy all the health benefits of your essential oil is to have it cold mist diffused. And that's where our premium and deluxe diffusers come into play. So this is priced more affordably than our premium diffusers. It is a bit cheaper, a lot cheaper in fact, and it is really, really sturdy. So if you accidentally dropped this, it's not going to break instantly, whereas some of our premium diffusers, the shades tend to be a lot more fragile, and some people get nervous about those around little kids and stuff. So there might be different uses for your diffusers. Of course, I still absolutely adore the premium diffusers. There's nothing like them in the world, in fact, and these still come with a lifetime warranty, just as our premium diffusers do. So you're still getting a wonderful quality product with our amazing technology included in it, and it's really an amazing design. So yeah, there's a low mode and a high mode. You can easily see it on the front. What I'm going to do is turn the light out so you can get an idea of the colors with the lights out. Now I've turned the lights off so you get a really good indication of what this is like with the lights off and the light on. So you're getting a really soft light there. This is an LED light inside. If that light ever fails, you will get a brand new diffuser. There's no light globe that you have to change in this. It really is a product that will last a lifetime. It's just such an amazing product with such a huge capacity. You can simply leave it on all day. So you can see the double droplet really gets a great fine mist going. It's working super hard there, and like amazing amount of diffusing going on there. So what it's doing is putting a fine mist particle into the air, giving weight and moisture to any dust, mold and allergen free radicals that are moving through the air in your home, giving them weight and moisture and bringing them to the ground. And that's how it's cleaning your home and or the air in your home. And the fine mist particles there are also diffusing that gorgeous essential oil. There's lots of reasons that people choose to use essential oils in their home, but obviously loads of health benefits from that. And Scentsy has some absolutely gorgeous fragrant mixes. Our blends are second to none. Some of the essential oils I've found on the market tend to be more health focused and health based. For example, use this if you've got a cold, use this if you want to relax or whatever. I found that all of our Scentsy essential oils are blended for fragrance first. And of course, you're going to get those health benefits as an additional benefit to using the oil in your home. So look out for this one. It is called our Deluxe Diffuser. It's the first in our range of deluxe diffusers with Scentsy. It is new to our range. We're so proud of it because of the huge water reservoir that it holds. It looks attractive. You can see it's misting absolutely brilliantly, and it is super sturdy, and it is a bit more affordable than our other premium diffusers. So perhaps it might be the right choice for your home. Look out for it on our Scentsy website or contact your nearest Scentsy consultant. And don't forget, I have to also say, if you like the video, please give it a like. And I'd be so appreciative if you'd subscribe to my channel to keep seeing more clips just like this one. See you later.